Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we learn how floods come. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and put a like and put a comment below. So you know what is flooding? What is flood? So we learn more things about floods. Flooding is an overflowing of water onto land that is normally dry. Floods can happen during heavy rains, when ocean waves come on shore, when snow melts quickly, or when dams or levees break. Flash floods occur when heavy rainfall exceeds the ability of the ground to absorb it. So there are so many waves of flood coming. For an example, when snow melts, when there's heavy rain, when ocean waves come on shore, when dams leaves break. So those are the reasons. So think about you. Um, think about you. Uh, is floods is flood came to your house? Some some houses the flood have come, but some houses the flood haven't come. But now need to get how floods come, so we learn more things about floods. How do human cause flooding? Now look this picture. This picture is about a flood. So you can already think about a flood. Nay, human activities that degrade the environment often increases flooding. These activities include deforestation. The lack of vegetation encourages water to flow over the surface rather than infiltrate into the soil, thus increasing surface un, un, runoff. So, there are five types of floods. First one is flash floods, coastal floods, urban floods, river floods, ponding floods. These river floods and ponding floods, we have another name. For river floods, we are telling um, fluvial floods. So, and ponding floods, we are telling fluvial flooding. So did you got what I teach you today? So then put me a comment if you understood this lesson, and don't forget to subscribe and put a like. Okay? And stay safe. Bye. I will meet you all in another day.